Hi guys, this is Akshaya. Today I'm painting a flower using Crayola watercolor and Canson mixed media paper. I purchased a Crayola Watercolor Deluxe Kit from Amazon for my kids, and it comes with 40 watercolors, and it also comes with a brush, so I'm using the same brush here. My kids use Crayola markers, crayons, watercolors, and many more. I thought it will be fun to try painting with this color. I can show you what I can create with this color and also what I think about this color after painting in professional colors for so long. Some of the colors have glitter in it, so it looks very shiny. Now I'm taking random red color. This is the bottom part of the flower. I'm making petal shapes in both the sides of a stem. Just imagine there is a stem in between and it is not visible because of the petals. Now I'm taking yellow color, which almost looks like orange. Again, I'm making two petals on each sides. It's difficult to work with this brush compared to professional watercolor brushes. I want my bottom petals to be a little wider, so I'm using a little bit of yellow on both the sides. I'm dropping a little bit of red color here, but as you can see, the colors don't flow as they do in 100% cotton paper. Anyway, I think they are creating, you can say, different or a unique style. I took orange color again. The petal becomes smaller as you go upward. I did not take any palette here to mix my colors. I'm mixing the colors there in my set only. I'm trying to drop some red here and there, hoping that they will flow, but no, they won't flow. As this is a mixed media paper, I'm trying not to use lot of water. Again, I'm taking little bit of yellow here, taking red again to give a variation in color. I'm thinking to take more water here, and you can see the difference there. Colors are not flowing that much as they do in 100% cotton paper, and brush is okay for me. Still, the colors look vibrant, and I am able to create transparency and variations like a value scale in a painting, and I think it looks pretty good. I want to take a light consistency of yellow to the top part of the flower. Petals become smaller and smaller as you go up. I'm trying to take more pigment and less water here, and my petals at the top is facing to the left side. In the top part, petals looks like water drop. Now I'm taking light green color and just applying in the bottom part of the water drop. Also making some stem in between and some drops here and there. Some are drops and some are lines. Now I'm mixing little bit of blue with green and making little bit dots, lines. I think those white areas look so beautiful. If you're painting this flower, try to leave some white space in between the flowers here and there. I'm making a small stems near those white areas. I'm taking darker green for the stem. I'm mixing blue and green to make the dark green color. I'm dragging the stem to the right side so the down part is facing right side and the top part is facing left side. I can see that 20% of colors have flown and mixed with the colors and made a beautiful texture. Now I am taking purple color. I mixed a little bit of black with red and I can see a purple color or maroonish color. So I'm applying it to the right part of the stem and little bit of stem here and there with this purple color. Let's do some leaves. For leaves, I cannot take this green color, it's very light, so I'm mixing a little bit of blue here. As you can see, if I mix little blue also, it's not that great. I want to take little black in the same brush which has green color in the brush. You can see I achieved a little darker green here. Try holding the brush a little far away for these brush strokes. Red and green are complementary colors, so if you put a little bit of green in red area, it is going to look bright and it is going to catch the audience eyes. I'm taking little black here for that variations in leaves. I want to take little yellow and give the water drop shape in the top part of the petal. When you use warm yellow in any painting, it brings light to the painting. So I am thinking to drop little bit of yellow in the left side of the stem area. I noticed in Crayola painting, if you need a thicker pigment, you really have to swatch a lump sum of pigment in your brush. I'm dropping a thick pigment of red here and there. Crayola is a non-toxic watercolor paint, so it's very good for kids. Surprisingly, it was a very good try. I enjoyed painting with this color. Sometimes you need to try student grade painting to realize how difficult or how easy or how unique is the experience. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.